So you want to go full-time in your coaching business and you've been showing up, you're doing the work, but every time you jump on a coaching call or a sales call, I should say, you're constantly like in your mind, you're already slashing the price. You're already discounting your offer. You're already like talking yourself out of like charging what you know your coaching offer is worth. And every time you're consistently like slashing your price month after month, trying to find the right price, every time you do that, it's like with every slash of the price, you're also slashing your confidence. Your confidence is shrinking each time. And you'll never really truly be able to, I wouldn't say never. It'll take you much longer to transition into coaching full time if you continue to not charge what you know your offer is worth. You're not charging the premium value that you know you are entitled to because of the transformation that you're providing and how you're delivering your service. And so in this episode of the Daily Dose with yours truly, I'm going to be talking about why it's important for you to stop putting a clearance tag on your coaching business. If you want to transition into coaching full time sooner than later, stop. I cannot stress this enough. Stop putting a clearance tag on your coaching business. It's like putting imagine going into the store, you're going into Zales, and you walk into Zales and you see this big fat diamond, but it's literally sitting there with a clearance tag on it, right? Immediately, you're going to think something's wrong. You're going to immediately, that's the first, you're going to be like, oh, this is fake. This isn't right. There's no value in this because there's a clearance tag on a diamond. And so I want you to think of it like that. Your business, your coaching business is a diamond. It is a diamond. And it does not belong in a thrift store. It does not belong in the back of the corner in Zales with a clearance tag on it, right? And so in this episode, we're going to really be breaking down how to take that clearance tag off of there and to really increase your perceived value so that others can also see the value because it's your conviction that sells, all right? And so the Daily Dose is a daily episode Monday through Friday where I break down the acronym DOSE, which is Divine Overflow of Spirit-Led Empowerment. This is where whatever the Lord pours into me, I pour into you. And so this is to help encourage you, empower you, equip you on your journey of entrepreneurship. All right. So I'm really excited to jump into what I have for you because I am so tired of you being out here discounting your coaching business when you really should not be. All right. Diamonds don't belong in the thrift store. They don't. They never do. And you don't either. Your business does not belong in the thrift store because it's conviction that sells. It's not a clearance tag, right? You discounting your offer, discounting your prices isn't going to make it sell. It's your conviction behind it. And so you are a gem. You are a gem. You're priceless, and your program is also very valuable, and you need to price accordingly. So because you are the gem that you are a diamond. I'm going to go ahead and dive into the acronym that I have for you today, which is GEM. And so the G is you have to have grounded belief in your offer and the transformation that you're providing. So you want to anchor your confidence in the transformation your coaching provides. So you're not just out here patching together a bunch of sessions, right? I hope you're not doing that. If you are, comment. I'm like, what am I on? I'm on YouTube. I was going to say DM me. Comment offer, and I'm going to send you the link to register for instant access to my Craft Your Signature Offer workshop. And this way you're going to be able to really create an offer that you are in love with, okay? An offer that you are not just patching together a bunch of sessions, but you're actually building out an offer that provides transformation. Okay, that's literally the first step that I help my clients to do inside of the Business by Belief Accelerator. And so you want to have grounded belief. For you to operate as the gem that you are and for your business to be seen as such, you have to believe it. Your beliefs have to believe it. Hence why my acceleration program is called Business by Belief. Yes, I give you blueprint, but it's really your belief system. Your belief system is what's running 95% of your actions. and behaviors. And so if your beliefs are broken, if your beliefs are not serving you, then it's going to continue to hinder your business, right? Hence why you keep discounting your offer, discounting your coaching program, instead of really selling it with that confidence, selling it with conviction. All right. So stop reversing discounts in your head, because clients, they buy your conviction. Okay. They buy your conviction, not your clearance tag. And so that is the G. You want to make sure you're grounded in belief. The E in the G.E.M acronym is expert positioning. You are the expert. You are the guide. Okay. So you want to package your framework into a premium offer that shows that you're the go-to coach. Literally, common offer. I'm telling you, once you get this signature offer, you're going to see how we're going to literally create your signature framework, your signature coaching framework. We're going to package it into a premium offer that shows you as the expert. You are the go-to coach. No one else can get this type of transformation. No one else can give this transformation that you can give, because no one else has your story. No one else has your structure and your systems, and no one else can deliver it the way you can, right? Like, it's your years of experience. It's your expertise. It's your education. It's your essence that we're going to be forming into this framework, so that you can package it at a premium level and sell it at a higher price point, because of the level of transformation that your clients will be receiving. All right. And so you are the expert, and you have to understand and position yourself as such, right? Stop putting a clearance tag on your diamond, on your coaching program. It doesn't belong there. Get it off of there. You are the expert. People, they're going to pay for the transformation that you're providing to them. All right, my love? So no more bargain bin pricing, right? Because your process proves the value. When you create a framework, your process, when you show your clients, like, I'm going to take you from step point A to point B. With this step, after this step, you're going to have this. After this step, you're going to have that. Literally painting the picture clearly for them to see, having that framework, that in itself is going to show the value of what you have to offer, because you have a process to walk them through, and they can see it. It increases the perceived value because they can see it. They can see it. They can see the clear transformation. When you have clarity, your clients will also then have clarity. All right. And so that is the E, expert positioning. So lastly, we're going to jump into the M, and the M is magnetic clients. All right. And so attract clients who respect your value, pay your worth, and show up ready. Show up ready. Show up ready. You're going to be attracting your best clients. This is one of the lessons that I teach inside of my Business by Belief Accelerator. You're no longer attracting blocked clients, people who are blocked, lazy, aimless, and hesitant. You're going to be speaking to your best clients. They're brilliant. They're energetically aligned with your mission, your vision, your values. They're self-sufficient, right? And they're trustworthy. And so you're going to start speaking to your best clients, magnetizing your best clients. They're people who respect your value. They'll pay what your program is worth, and they'll show up ready to take action. You're speaking to action takers. And so when you begin to see your clients this way, you can understand that you don't have to convince them. When you're speaking to blocked clients, it's like you're doing a lot of convincing, because these people, they're not ready. They're hesitant. They're blocked. But when you're speaking to your best clients, they're brilliant. They can see the value. They're not looking at the cost. They see the value. One of my coaches, Myron Golden, he says that wealthy people, we don't look at the cost of anything. We look at the value. What are we getting out of this transaction? While poor people, they stay poor because they look at the cost of everything and not the value of it. And so it's really important for you to understand that your best clients, they see the value, and they'll pay for what it is that you are offering to them. because they can see the transformation. They want that transformation. They're brilliant enough to see it, right? And so aligned buyers lean into your conviction, not any convincing. All right. So like I shared before, you can go ahead and comment offer, and we're going to craft your signature offer. All right. We're going to craft your signature offer so that you can have an offer that you are convicted to sell, an offer that you're confident in, right? An offer that you have clarity in, so that your clients could then see it, and then you can start having the grounded belief that you need. You'll have the expert positioning that your premium offer provides, and you'll begin to magnetize your clients. All right. And so go ahead, comment offer, and you'll get instant access to the workshop. Or if you're ready to just dive right in and you want to take it straight to the top with me, right? You can also just comment belief, or just click the description below, look in the description below, and there will be the link there for you to apply to the Business by Belief Accelerator. All right. So that you can finally start attracting your best clients, transition from your career into coaching full time without having to chase clients. We're attracting them. We're not chasing. We do not chase clients. Without chasing clients, without self-sabotaging, or without sacrificing time with your family. All right. And so this is how I help you inside of the Business by Belief Accelerator. We go deep into your belief systems and also your body safety with nervous system regulation. I use my gift of healing and my expertise as a nurse, a registered nurse, and combined it with with business structure, belief system, and body safety, so that you can excel in your business growth and finally transition into coaching full time. So you can have the freedom and flexibility and fulfillment that your coaching will provide you. All right. And so that's what I have for you in this episode of The Daily Dose. Stop putting a clearance tag on your coaching business. I pray that this has been a blessing to you. I'm going to jump because I do have a sales call. And so I'm going to jump, and I'm going to see you in the next Daily Dose. Before I go, I'm going to tell you, just as God told me, put one foot in front of the other, step out on faith, and trust God for the next step. I'll see you in the next live. Bye.